Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making bacon cheeseburgers. I cook them a little different than most people, and they always turn out very moist. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is the usual: your ground meat patties, some cheese. We like Kraft processed American cheese because it melts so nicely. Some bacon, good buns. That really makes or breaks the hamburger. But the thing that's different with mine is something that I learned how to do from a friend of mine years ago. You cook in water. It will pull the grease away from the hamburgers, and they taste amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the pan and with the hamburgers and get them cooking and get the bacon cooking, and we'll go from there. Okay, I've got these cooking over a medium flame, and you can see like over here where all the greases come off the burgers. And this keeps them so moist. They're almost done, and then I'll be putting the cheese on when we don't have any more pink coming out of the centers. Add more water if you need it while they're cooking. And once they're done, I just lay the cheese over until it melts, and then we'll be ready to assemble them. You guys like cheese, I don't. So I try to keep mine a little separate from theirs. In the meantime, I have ripped the bacon in half. And all I do is put 3 one way, and 3 the other. And it's done. Okay, when I pack these for my husband's lunch, I keep the bacon on the side, not on the hamburger or cheeseburger. I don't know if it's because I used pre-cooked microwave bacon or not, but he tells me that if you try to reheat the cheeseburger with the bacon on it, it turns a little rubbery. So he does this separate. And now for my plate. And because I'm not supposed to have the carbs, I have my naked hamburger with some crumbled up bacon on top and green beans on the side. And I have an extra bit of bacon and another hamburger for lunch tomorrow. Okay, there it is, all done. Ready to eat. My family's definitely hungry. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.